Hi guys! So I'm here at the Letonniemi nature reserve area and it's pretty windy day today. The starting spot is at this port. You can see big boats and the sea is right there behind me. So let's go and check this out. Okay, so this is pretty anticlimactic. Sign says to go to the right a little more, but this is what I see. I am assuming the place I was supposed to go is that way, just a little bit more, but there's no way. I tried to find a path from there to figure out how to get there, but the water is super high and I can tell the path is supposed to go this way because I can see a yellow mark right over there. What a disappointment. So, as they say, if there's a will, there's a way. Well, there was a really strong will, but there was no way I was gonna make it to the fireplace without swimming. So disappointed. Okay, so the other path was blocked with water as well, but luckily I managed to find a way around it. But as I'm looking ahead, it doesn't look too good. It's covered with water. It's a pretty view for the sea though. Try to find a way around the water area. before the sun set and got dark. So thumbs up for that. The hike itself was quite a disappointment, as I couldn't reach the area the way I had planned or wished to. So probably better luck next time. But overall, I had a pretty good day biking around Hietasaari and Nallikari area. So, and the weather was pretty good, so thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.